Indonesia's Disaster Mitigation Agency said 43 people were dead and another 584 injured after a tsunami struck coastal areas around the Sunda Strait between the islands of Sumatra and Java late Saturday night. Agency spokesman Sutopo Purwo Nugroho said it was caused by a combination of an undersea landslide resulting from volcanic activity on Anak Krakatau and a tidal wave. He said at least 2 people were missing and more than 400 homes as well as 9 hotels and 10 boats were badly damaged in the incident. The tsunami, which struck at 9:30 p.m. local time, hit several areas of the Sunda Strait, including beaches in Pandeglang, Regency, Serang and South Lampung. The Sunda Strait between the islands of Java and Sumatra connects the Java Sea to the Indian Ocean. Anak Krakatau's most recent eruption was in October last year. In September, at least 832 people were killed by an earthquake and tsunami that hit the city of Palu on the island of Sulawesi.